Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can withdraw from stake. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So what you're going to do is, for the withdrawal process, you're going to go to your browser and access stake official website itself. Once you're here, you can see the how do I make the withdrawal from my stake itself is given, and the steps are briefly mentioned. So all you have to do is head to your portfolio dashboard and you have to tap on the buying power, then withdrawal funds. And then once you have done that, if you are not on the app or but on the website, you simply have to go to the option of manage funds and have to go to the section of withdraw. Now you simply have to carefully add in the withdrawal amount and simply select the receiving method, aka receiving bank. Once you've chosen the bank, you're going to go ahead and add in a new bank or new account if you would like to transfer to a new one. Otherwise, select the previous one itself and go ahead and add in the information of your account, like the name, bank account number, and the bank name itself. Then you will receive an estimated summary of your withdrawal request. Simply verify the withdrawal with a PIN sent to your mobile number or authenticator app. It will differ if you have added the number or the email. According to that, you will get a message of the PIN. Go ahead, add in the PIN and confirm your withdrawal request. Your money will be withdrawn, and that is how you do it. So that is it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.